Hi everyone, I am Dr. Sangarsh Shamrao Gazbe, working as a librarian in SICS Degree College of Arts, Science and Commerce, Ambernath West. Today we are learn Enlist membership activation process. You will get an email through an Enlist. This type of email you will receive. In this mail, you will get an user ID and one-time password. This one-time password can be used for member activation. For member activation, you have to click on this link. After clicking on this link, you will reach on the user activation window. On this window, you have to type the username that is your email ID, which is provided at the time of admission. You have to fill these blanks using the given information. You have to type here one time password, which is available in email ID. In the new password section box, you can type your own desired password as you want. Retype new password, the same password that is typed in new section, retype here. Then after, calculate this captcha and write in the captcha box. And then after, you click on the activate user button. We will see step by step. Here you type user ID, that is your email ID is your username. Then after, type here one time password that is provided in the email. Then here the new password, write here the new password what you want. Retype the new password, same that is you typed in new password section. Calculate and write the correct answer in the captcha box. Then click on the activate user button. After clicking on this button, you will receive a user activated message on the screen. Now your member activation process is complete. Now we will try to use our new user name and password. Open your web browser and simply type enlist in the browser or enlist.inflibnet.ac.in, type in the URL section. After clicking this enlist, you reach on the enlist home page. National Library and Information Service Infrastructure for Scholarly Content. This is a consortia. On this consortia, we will access the plenty of resources. Okay. At the right hand side, member login button is available. Click on login button. After clicking the login button, you have to type username and password. Right here your user ID. Your user ID is your email ID, and here type your password that is you set before in last process, member activation process. Then click on the login button. At the first time you will receive this type of message on your screen. After that you click on advanced button. Again you received this type of message. Click on the proceed to iproxy.implement.ac on this link. After clicking or finishing this process, you will reach on the e-resources and list page. Now you can access all these e-resources available on this page. At the left hand side, e-journals full text are available, and the right hand side e-books are available. We will see one by one. American Institute of Physics 18 titles, Annual Reviews 33 titles, Economics and Political Weekly 1 title, Indian Journals 180 titles, Institute of Physics 46 titles, J-Star 2500 titles, Oxford University Press 262 titles, Royal Society of Chemistry 29 titles, H.W. Wilson 3000 titles. These are all full text e-journals. Now we will see e-books. Cambridge Book Online 1800 titles, eBree 1,50,000 titles, EBSCOhost Net Library 936 titles, Hindustan Book Agency 65 titles, Institute of Southeast Asian Studies Books 382 titles, Oxford Scholarship 1402 titles, Springer eBooks 2300 titles, Sage Publication eBooks 1000 titles, Taylor and Francis eBooks 1800 titles. We will see one by one all the resources how to access in next video. Thank you.